Be honest. If I handed you $1,000 in cash right now, what's the first thing you'd do?
Would you pay off debt, buy those sneakers you've been eyeing for months, or maybe finally start that side hustle you've been talking about?
Most people already have an answer, but what you choose says more about you than you think. Let's talk about it. Picture this. You wake up and boom, $1,000 is just sitting there. No one's asking questions. It's yours, free and clear. Now, here's where it gets real. What you do next says a lot about your financial habits and where you're headed. So, would you spend it immediately? Save it for a rainy day? Try to multiply it? Drop your honest answer in the comments below. Let's see how you would use it. And don't worry, there's no wrong answer here, just real talk. When I asked people the same question, I kept hearing the same 4 types of answers. Let's see which one sounds like you. The spender.
$1,000, I'm getting new sneakers, a weekend trip, and maybe a PS5.
Hey, nothing wrong with enjoying life, but what happens when the money's gone? The saver.
I'd stash it in my savings account.
Solid move, but in 2025, a savings account won't exactly grow your wealth. The investor.
I'd put it in a high-yield ETF or maybe buy digital assets.
This is the long game thinker, the let my money work for me mindset, the side hustler.
I'd use it to start something, maybe launch a small online business or upgrade my gear.
This one, potentially life-changing. $1,000 isn't much, but it's enough to start. Here's the truth. How you treat small opportunities is how you'll treat big ones. If you can't handle $1,000 well, what would happen with $10,000? Or $100K? Or more? Every dollar you get is a decision. Every decision is a direction, and before you know it, you've either built a financial future or made a financial mistake. So again, what are you building? Here's my challenge to you. Pretend you have that $1,000 right now. Plan what you do. Break it down. $500 here, $300 there, $200 to invest, or whatever makes sense for you. Now ask yourself, would future you be proud of that choice? Comment your breakdown below. I want to see who's thinking smart, who's thinking fast, and who's thinking both. Sometimes it's not about how much money you have. It's about how well you use what you get. Because if you can turn 1K into a smart move now, what happens when you get 10K or 100K? If this video got you thinking differently, smash that like button. And if you're curious about how to actually turn small amounts of money into serious income, check out my video right here, 5 money habits that changed my life. It's in the description. This is your sign to stop waiting and start building. See you in the next one.